Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back. So, how are you guys? Before we start, let me introduce myself first. I am Alif Bimo Janaka from 20kg. So, what are we going to do today? Today, I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how to config Router OS login management. But first, what is Router OS login management? Router OS login management is used for config a user to config anyone who want to enter the router. To config and make for one to enter the router, there is two options: local database and a radio server. Login management, user login management uh, split into two options. There is group and user. For group, what is group? It's to grouping the user with privilege that the server, uh, to decide the privilege that he can access, not anything. So there is group, and the user, it's used for login, username and password from the user. So if there's a group, there must be a user in it. Maybe it's one or more, and the user in that group have a different access. Like for group 1, it can access to reboot router, and group 2, it can only read the router. Okay, so here we already have the inbox, so we can start configuration. But first, how to access the user login management? You can click here, system, but maybe you guys cannot see it. Okay, but if you already click here, you can scroll here. There is many options. You can just go down, click system first, and then go down. You guys can find users. So just click it. Alright, I already click the user here from the system. First, let me start configuration the user first, so that we can log in with the user that we just make. We'll just name it anything, tester. But we still don't have the group first, so let me make the group first here. Okay, I will make a group so that the user can only reboot the router. Name reboot, and just turn on two options here, reboot and winbox, so it can only access the winbox and reboot it. Apply. Okay, back to the users option. Here the tester that was edited again. As you can see here, click group, and then we can already see the group we just made, reboot, then apply. Okay, so how do we test it? Let's log out from this winbox first. Wait, okay, I already made a new inbox. Wait. Okay, here. Login with the user we just made, which is tester if I remember. But I haven't put any password in this router, so let's just bring it and not put anything. Connect. Okay, it's working. Wait. Um, Okay, here we already get inside the router. As you can see here, I cannot do anything because the one you login only can reboot the router. Wait, I accidentally pressed exit. Let's enter again. Hold on. Okay, we're back. We cannot config anything escape to reboot. Let's try to reboot it. Choose. Wait, I forgot. Where's the reboot option, guys? Okay, here. In system, you scroll down, it's kind of in the middle, but you guys cannot see it. But if you already click it, you can see it. Reboot in the middle. Here. You can reboot, but I will not. So anyway, that is working. So let's just back to the admin. Let's back to user admin. So we can config anything. Okay, so here back here to admin. There is another feature, guys. If you wanna see the active users, you can go back to user systems and then users. Here there's 5 options. If you guys wanna see the active user, just click here, active users. There's 2 active users, admin and tester. Right now I'm using admin and the tester is still on, so yeah, it's right here. There's 2 users that is currently using this router. Alright, so it's all working. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.